topic film adaptation of William Shakespeare's Macbeth. That is my introduction, table of content. First, William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare is a widely regarded William Shakespeare is a widely regarded as the greatest writer in English literature. He worked as a playwright, poet, and actor, producing 39 plays, 154 sonnet, and two narrative poems. He is known for his tragedies like Othello, Macbeth, King Lear, written by William Shakespeare around in 1606. This play explored a theme of ambition, power, guilt, and faith. His ambition to become a king led him down a dark path of murder, guilt, and madness. He was manipulated by his wife and three witches. It is Macbeth. It was a Shakespeare's shortest and most interest work filled with suspense, supernatural elements, and the witch and lady and unforgettable characters like witches and Lady Macbeth. First, notable adaptations like Justin Kurzel's Macbeth highlight the visual and the war tone aspect of the story. Justin retained the Scottish setting but adopted a grim cinematic visual style, emphasized the brutal war tone aspect of the story and environment. Justin enhanced the psychological tension with an intense focus on Macbeth trauma and moral conflict. He focused on a psychological depth as in a novel. In a novel, Macbeth start as a war, but in this movie, Macbeth start as a Lady Macbeth and Macbeth meet together. Second, Vishal Bhardwaj Makbul. A Indian adaptation set in the Mumbai underworld. Theme adaptation to the social political context of India. The witches are reminding as a two astrologers and a blinding supernaturally with a reality. Vishal Bhardwaj transport a Macbeth, the Mumbai underworld. This Hindi language film brilliantly reminding the theme of ambitions and the characters of Macbeth, which the framework of organized crime. Theme exploration in film, ambitions and corruption, fact versus free will, supernatural elements, and a gender role. Macbeth. In a Macbeth, all various explore the ambitions and a guilt, but Justin's film deals deeper into the psychological trauma, and in a Makbul, explore the nonsense of the loyalty, betrayal, and a crime in a mafia context in India. Why Macbeth in cinema? Macbeth continued to be a popular subject in cinema due to its exploration of universal themes such as ambitions, power, guilt, and fact. These themes are timeless and resorted across the cultural making Macbeth adaptation to the various interpretation, visual symbolizing like a blood and a supernatural elements. He added emotional intensity with the moral dynamics and the internal conflict of the characters make for a compelling narrative. In Vishal Bhardwaj Makbul, which adaptation that adapts a tragedy of Indian mafia world. That is my source. Thank you. Any question?
My question is, what cultural context does Vishal Bharadwaj Makbul add to the story of Macbeth?
Okay. Vishal Bharadwaj Makbul adapt Macbeth into the Mumbai Mafia world, replacing to the kingship as a gang leadership, and characters like Macbeth. Macbeth was Macbeth was as a Macbeth, which Macbeth greed for a leadership as a king. In Makbul was a wish that he was a leadership as a mafia. Any?
My question: how does Justin Turtle Macbeth reinterpret Shakespeare's poetry?
Okay. Um, Justin's Macbeth reinterpretation Shakespeare's play with a focus on intentional visual like a storytelling, psychological depth, and theme as a morality and ambitions and fact. Thank you.